Enabling two-factor authentication 2FA on Elastic is an important step to enhance the security of your account. Follow these steps to set it up effectively. Step 1. Log into your Elastic account. Start by logging into your Elastic account using your username and password. Ensure that you have access to your account before proceeding to the next steps. Step 2. Navigate to security settings. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Choose your 2FA method. Select the method you want to use for two-factor authentication. Common options include using an authentication app like Google Authenticator, receiving SMS codes, or using a hardware token. Choose the one that best suits your needs. Step 4. Follow the setup instructions. Follow the on-screen instructions to configure your chosen 2FA method. This may involve scanning the QR code with your authentication app or entering your phone number for SMS verification. Make sure to complete all required steps. Step 5. Save backup codes. After setting up 2FA, you will be provided with backup codes. Save these codes in a secure location. They can be used to access your account if you lose access to your primary 2FA method. By following these steps, you can successfully enable two-factor authentication on your Elastic account, adding an extra layer of security. Remember to keep your backup codes safe and review your security settings regularly.